I personally struggled with Excel issues on my Apple devices, spending countless hours finding real solutions. And now I am going to share multiple proven methods that absolutely work to solve your problem. This video will show you exactly how to fix Excel freezing and crashing on iOS and iPadOS, ensuring your spreadsheets run smoothly again. Our first method tackles problems directly within the Excel app itself. Think of it like a quick reset for Excel. Apps can get clogged with temporary data or small software hiccups. By clearing these out, we give Excel a clean slate, stopping those pesky memory problems or corrupted files that make it freeze or crash. It is like restarting a computer when it acts up. Often, that is all it needs. Next, we look at your device and its operating system. If your iPhone or iPad software is old, or if your device is completely full, Excel just will not have enough power to run correctly. Updating your iOS or iPadOS brings in important improvements and fixes any known bugs that might be causing trouble. Also, making sure you have enough free space means Excel has room to work without struggling. This keeps your device and Excel happy together. Our third approach focuses on your actual Excel files. Big, complicated spreadsheets with lots of math or fancy colors demand a lot from your device. It is like trying to run a heavy machine on a tiny engine. By making your files simpler, like breaking up huge documents or taking out extra formatting, we reduce the stress on your device's brain and memory. This stops Excel from getting overloaded and becoming unresponsive. Finally, if all else fails, we explore more serious solutions. Sometimes, the issue is deep inside your device's main software. Backing up your device and starting fresh can often clear away stubborn glitches. And if things are still not right, reaching out to Apple or Microsoft experts ensures you get specific help for tricky problems. It is about getting professional eyes on a problem you cannot quite solve alone.